Hi guys, it's me Nurullah again, and today is fourth day. Let's say day three, but the fourth day, and I think today was awesome for me. So, based on my task, I have five tasks here. As you know, if you follow if you watch my other videos, so let's start from the first task and let me tell you what I did today. Today it was really a tiring day because I worked a lot on my 9-5, but I still focused achieving my these goals too because completing this journey is really important for me. And yesterday was a failure, and we need to give up again here, and that's really one of the most important things in that journey. In the body reset part, we are, let's say, survive mode. So this is my overall result, of course, but for every task we can talk about this. So for body reset, we I have made a short walking, like a 20-minute walking, 20-minute evening walking. Let's say even you can say night walking because I made it after 10 p.m. But it refreshed my mind to continue with my other tasks after coming back from my daily walking session. I continue with work block, and at that block, I continue with my, let's say, AI notebook tool. And in that notebook tool, I have some tasks. Let me open it for you. So it's here. This is my, let's say, I called it as inner voice, and I didn't make it a markdown file because HTML file is really better for visually and to understand the progress. And I started a chat with the codex, and then later we decided every part of the project. It's like knowing the design parts. It's from design, backend, front end, authentication, etc. So we divided this project into vertical slices. It means that we have one piece from every part, like front end, back end, authentication, etc. here. So I already completed these parts, and today we completed authentication slice. And with authentication slice, I wanted to adjust one password. I intentionally removed username because this notebook tool is just for me at first. I will not make it multiple users. So let me enter my password and enter here, and this functionality works fine. It's create a cache secret and the password. So if the browser store this cache secret, when I refresh my this page, it still show me as this is a logged in session. And if I log out, it resets this secret key, and then I need to enter my password again. So I just reviewed the codex code here, and then we he the codex implemented the code, and we continue with the code review part, and we pushed the code to GitHub and completed our daily session. So as I told you before, I make the sessions slower than classical AI building parts, but this makes me really understand the whole infrastructure on the projects. So let's continue with the third task, craft and learning. And in that session, I continue with the Ralph loops. So I wanted to learn a bit more about loops. So creating a PRD document, creating vertical slices about it, and creating outputs for AI to continue with other verticals. So I want to right now I had a feeling that I cannot trust like agents to complete whole sessions or whole projects. So I just want to test it with to-do apps, and I want to create a PRD with the help of the agents, of course. But and I want to test the power of this goal feature and the loops. So I just let's say investigated some known examples from the known in the hackers, etc. So for marketing parts, I analyzed another website today. It's DataFest. Maybe you know Mark Low's DataFest. And in that DataFest, I wanted to create a skill to reanalyze a website every time when I gave an input to agent, like a URL of the website. Agent uses the Chrome computer use plugin from the codecs. Maybe there is an equivalence of Cloud Code too, but I don't know. I use codecs. So I let it create a skill. So the UI UX part, the UI is not that good, but this is the first version. I will improve this by time, and we are seeing these 12 matters and 12 steps, and the last one is the Indiaker lesson. There are reusable patterns and some snaps from the websites. So I want to make it more user friendly because there are too much text and it's hard to grasp, but I will improve this. And I want to create a landing page and the onboarding strategies from the known websites, and I want to copy the information or the taste of the, let's say, websites or products. So the last part is right now I am completing this. We can make this done and let's say good. Right now there is no challenge and blocker. I click save and I have 5 days streak here too for the activity. So I think that's it for today, and it was really a productive day today, and I wanted to continue harder than yesterday because it was a failure. But I think I stand up better right now because I really focused on my journey, and we are entering a weekend vacation part, let's say holiday part, and I want to use that time really efficiently right now, and I, I wanted to continue with my journey. So I will continue with my next part. So I want to add notes and make it, let's say, persistent. I want to complete these parts, maybe four of them on the weekend, tomorrow and Sunday. And I want, let's see what I'm gonna do with the next parts. So thank you for watching my video. I hope it's also useful for you. Have a good night. Right now it's midnight for me. I hope it will be a good time for you to follow this journey too. Thank you very much.